1983 Regal. Have hydraulics. An AV6. So it's all gas. Alright, so this is going to be a quick one on the 83 Regal. It does have hydraulics. If I go open this. So it has 2 pumps, 6 batteries. Batteries are completely dead. They're not going to work, so the switches aren't going to work. It has 12-inch cylinders in the back. And then 8-inch cylinders in the front. The interior is in really good condition. Damn, that smell. Just that smell brings back a lot of memories. Electric locks, power windows. 4 switches front, back, and both corners. When I got the hydraulics installed, it had 6 switches. It was front, back, side to side, and then both corners in the back. But I did end up switching that up so I could do a standing 3. I didn't see a need for a side to side anymore. I didn't really use it that much. So I have everything for this car. See the bumper fillers there? These are all in here. Got all the chrome strips. Got the front bumper fillers. Got the grills. I actually have 2 grills here. Then I have 2 other ones. But yeah, it looks pretty clean. Original hubcaps. Dashboard's not cracked. Nothing. Color Junior stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put some gas in it right now too, some fresh gas. But yeah, this has some kick panels, speakers. Motor was rebuilt. I'll show you guys that in a bit. But see, I got speakers in the back too, both sides. One thing I do regret is when they installed the system, I didn't keep those little panels that actually go there, the original ones. Should have kept them, but I didn't think about it. But yeah, seats are in good condition, real clean. Damn, the feeling of the steering wheel too. Getting used to those modern cars with the thick ass steering wheel, but yeah. So let's see the engine right now. It's dirty. So this is a stock 3.8 V6. So it's a 6-cylinder. It's rebuilt. Has a 4-barrel 500 CFM. Edelbrock. But yeah, it was redone a while back, but it's a good motor. I haven't turned it on in like 5 years. I'm gonna try to turn it on right now. The last time I moved it, I actually pushed it in here, so I didn't even turn it on. I tried to turn it on. It didn't turn on. Didn't spend too much time trying to figure out why it wasn't turning on. But I'm gonna try that right now. So we're gonna try to figure it out. Turn it on. Put some air in these tires first, and then go from there. So it does have reinforcement on the wheel wells, 4 corners. That's all it has. It's like a mild reinforcement. And it has 1/2-inch extended A-arms. Reinforced. That's pretty much it. So 5 years will get you. Let's see. Let's try that again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There's that gas. So it's all gas. I'm hoping it's just the filter. If it's just the filter, I could just replace that. But there's a lot of gas everywhere. So I just noticed something. This fuel filter that I just took off actually comes apart. So I'm gonna tighten this up and put it back on and see how that works out. Unbelievable. Of course it doesn't have gas, so we gotta keep giving it some gas. Looks like we ran out of gas. Still leaking. Nope, it's not leaking anymore. So we should be all right. So there it is. I put it back in. This day didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. It was a short video, but after I took it out, put it in the driveway, it was good. And then I turned it off, and then tried to turn it back on, and it wouldn't turn on. So I don't know if there's something wrong with the coil. So I don't know if there's something wrong with that coil. I wasn't getting any spark there. So it is what it is. Fuel filter is good, but yeah, maybe some other time I'll turn it on and actually drive it around. But this time it didn't work out. Maybe I'll turn it on some other time once I start working on it. But there it is. I did put it in the position that I wanted it. I wanted to get some more room in the back over here. But that's my 83 Regal. Short video.